Good morning, Crafty Peeps. I'm so excited to share with you another guest design team kit that Archana sent me. Her website is www.craftycity.com. Her Facebook group is called Shabby Paper Hub, and her blog is backtoshabbyworld.blogspot.com. Now, the blog is where you can find these kits located and also on her Facebook group, Shabby Paper Hub. Now, if you want to share your projects that you've created using her stores, um, kits that she has, and papers, you're definitely welcome to share that. And that Facebook group is called Shabby Paper Pub with a P. So let's go ahead and get started because I tell you what. So when Archana called me, she said, which one do you want? Do you want this Lush kit or do you want the Seaside kit? And it was really, really hard for me. I love both massively, but let me tell you exactly why I chose this one. And I'm going to move my lighting just a tad to get rid of that massive glare. Okay. All right. So hopefully the lighting's going to be good in here. But anyway, so let me show you these. It's because of these scrapiniec decorative chipboards, okay? That is the whole reason why. And also because of the die she sent me, and I'll get to that in a second. But I love this layered little window. I love how they kind of have a very light, natural looking chipboard. It's absolutely gorgeous, almost white. Beautiful, beautiful. So this is like a little layered window. And then she sends like a little vintage layered clock. Love, love these. They're so gorge. I just can't get over it. Okay, and then also these really cute miniature clocks. I just love how these look. And let me do another little close-up of this one. Love that. And this one. Oh, just yum, yum, yum. I can't even... I'm like beside myself. I love this kit so much. Okay, so anyway, the die is by LDRS Creative, and it's called Dotted Wings. It is so precious. And I tell you what Archana made using this looks way better than this little design that they have right here. But anyway, so this is what it looks like on the back. So cute. So you can layer these little butterflies up, and it looks totally adorable. Then you get some of this little button flare. Love these. These are beautiful. This is by Lemoncraft. And this is from the Yesterday collection for these buttons right here. I love how Archana is so amazing at coming up with these kits, and everything matches perfectly. I just love, love, love it. Here are some journaling cards and some like ephemera cards that she sent. So I love this little floral. Beautiful. Kind of have like a little window effect. Here's a picture frame. Love these. So you could journal in these. You could fussy cut around there and turn them turn them into actual frames, which is what I might do. Look at that. I love these. They're so beautiful. I might journal on that one. I don't know. I might put a picture in the middle. Who knows? Love that. Love the music notes with the flowers on top. Love, love, love. And then here she gives me a 6x6 Lemoncraft paper pad. And I absolutely love this lace in here. And she actually kind of duplicated that lace right here. It is so cool. And then it has little flowers. I love the peeling wood. Beautiful. Oh, sorry. Let me turn it this way. This is really the way it should go. So they're not double-sided, but I believe you get two of each. So I love this lace print with the pink underneath. Let me, you know what? Let me zoom in. See if I can, because there we go. That's a little better. So this is a, looks like a Tiffany blue, really light color with some polka dots. I don't even know if you can really tell. Beautiful. My lighting is just going crazy today. Love this page. I love all of them. Oh, I love that. I love that embossed look of a doily. Very pretty. Love the polka dots again. Another like square doily. Love that. Oh, I love the patterns of all of them. That's really cute. Almost like a quilt. Love that. So beautiful, guys. Pink polka dots. Oh, love the roses. Mm-hmm. Oh, I love the delicate looking lace there. Wow. Imagine the stuff you could make with this. So beautiful. Especially if you are a shabby chic lover. Beautiful pink lace right here. Or it's more like a wallpaper print. I would say like a lacy wallpaper looking print. Really pretty. Then we have more polka dots with some vintage newspaper print in the background. Kind of hard to tell in my lighting. I don't know what it is with my lighting today, but I got my studio lighting, but it is cloudy outside, so I think that's kind of affecting the lighting in here. But I love the lace with the blue in the background. Tiffany blue is like one of my favorite colors. Okay, now I love this Lemon Craft Vintage Time, and this is 024. Love, love, love the cut aparts. Look at the butterflies. They're just so delicate. Love, love, love. Even the tiny little gold ones. That. Love, love. And then you have more cut aparts right here. More frames, a heart, square. You got some like little buttons, clock, butterflies. So, so pretty. And then I specifically wanted this, but this does come in the kit too. Look at these gorgeous butterflies that you can cut apart. Love, love, love. So you got so many that you could use this on a variety of projects. Okay, so let's get into the 12 by 12 paper. So we have this beautiful lacy looking, it's like a mint, very light mint green color. Really pretty. And then here's the back. You kind of have like your wood with a damask print on it. More beautiful paper, polka dots. So this is just like the 6x6, but larger version. And this is the yesterday collection. Really beautiful. Love the roses. Ooh, one of my faves. Love, love. Oh, I love that. Why did they have to put those on? Why do they have to do that? It kills me when they do that. Put something so pretty on both sides. You're like, what? Love that. Love the large polka dots with the flowers. Again, the large doily. Very pretty. More white lace with pink underneath. One of my favorites with the wood cracking. I really like that. And then here we are, music note paper. Super shabby pink. Love, love, love. So, let's get into the rest, guys. Ooh, I'm loving it already. Okay. So, here we go. So, we get some of this gorgeous lace that matches the collection perfectly. It's amazing how she does that. I don't know if I have that much eye to detail, but I love it. And then, of course, I love the smaller laces, and these are great for when you're doing smaller projects like mini albums and stuff. And this kind of has like a heart pattern with a floral pattern mixed, or I guess you could say floral with scallop, so you could do it this way as well. And then you have a larger scallop. Really pretty. Oh, in case I didn't hold that one up. Love that. And then I love how she sends these little delicate pieces with all the little pearls. Love that. And then also she sent me some of these flat back pearls. Love those. And then, oh, I really like these little leaves from Wild Orchid Crafts. So pretty. Love the shabby chic colors in there. And then she sent me some beautiful pins with some pearls on them so that I can make something with these. Love that. I actually put these in my mini albums as well, so I love that. And you can just design it however you want. She just adds those in here in case you want to use some of those details for it, little pearls and stuff. And I'm just going to tuck this back in here so that I don't lose anything. So if y'all don't mind, because like I lose stuff like there's no tomorrow. Okay, this I will just kind of Wrap back up quickly. And then we're getting to one of my most favorite parts, all the yummy, delicious flowers. Okay, these are gorgeous. Pink, pink, and more pink with some white. Love, love, love. Look at these gorgeous large roses. So you get a bunch of these. Look at that. Ooh, they're so beautiful. And then you get these bigger rosebuds. Love that. I think I'm actually partial to the larger size of these instead of the itty bitties, but the itty bitties do help without for smaller projects. Here we go. You get some more rosebuds, a little bit smaller than those. And then you get a combination of white and pink roses. And then again, like a dark pink in the middle and then a lighter pink on the outside. Beautiful. And I still don't know what kind of flowers these are, but they're beautiful. And these are kind of a white and pink too. And then you get these gorgeous little white flowers, but more like a miniature size of these. So I hope you all really like this kit. I can't wait to create something for you. Again, visit her store, craftycity.com, or her blog to be able to purchase these kits is backtoshabbyworld.blogspot.com. Now, I did order some stuff for myself, and so I wanted to show you that real quick before we move on to the end. Okay, Santorini by Prima. I'm sure you all have already seen this, but if you haven't, I will go through this very quickly because I'm sure you all probably have. But this is my first time seeing this close up. Sorry, let me get my scissors out here. Really gripping it. I really don't have such a hard time. What is up with my scissors today? Okay, there we go. Here we go. Love that. Under the Santorini sun, and I accidentally nicked that piece. Take Me Back to Paradise. Really beautiful collection. Love the flowers on the back. I'm not too keen about this gray color. I'll say that's like a gray blue. It's not very vibrant. But I love that you get plenty of each design. Love that. Oh, I see. It's just that in the way. Love everything about this place, or our getaway place. Summer lovin', chillin'. Love. Oh, this one's really pretty on this side. Love that. Cannot wait to make an album for this one. Ooh, love that too. Love the marbleizing look. Very pretty. Love this. Little bicycle, music notes, etc. Really pretty. Oh, I like that. That's very pretty too. Very different collection, I have to say. But I'm glad they're coming up with some different designs. I love the faux washi is what I call this. Really pretty. Wow. Love the flowers on the back here. The colors are just amazing in this collection. Other than that first blue-green page, or blue-gray. I don't know what it was about that one, but it just wasn't too keen on that. But I love this. Wow, that's really beautiful. Amazing. And then I ordered the ephemera pack, which has a mixture of acetate and paper shapes. Love that. So cute. And also these little note cards that are 3x4. So thank you for letting me share this with you. I hope you all like it. I can't wait to hear your comments. Definitely visit our China store, craftycity.com, or her blog, backtoshabbyworld.blogspot.com. And then again, her Facebook group, Shabby Paper Hub. Anyway, don't worry about it. I'm going to put all those links down below so you can find it, because I know that's a lot to remember. But I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I cannot wait to get into the Santorini too. And this is going to be hard to cut into, ladies. I'm telling you. Really, it's going to be a tough one. So, hope you all have a great and fabulous weekend. It's Friday. Bye, y'all.